Good afternoon from Summer Shell Natural Farms Ramnagar, and I am Bhaiyaji. Today we are going to make an video on our vetiver and groundnut thing here in our farm. This is the Dhobiadi stretch of our farm, and this is we had done a similar video in Hindi about the benefits of groundnut and why we are doing experimenting with groundnut this time. But I thought that it was it was made in Hindi vernacular, so but I thought I would do it again, so that for my non Hindi speaking audience this might be of more significance, more relevance, more help. So we'll do it in English this time. This video is going to be entirely in English. So as you can see here, the pruning has been complete all around. You can see the lychees and the pink pepper trees here, and lemons, Gandharaj lemons. So there's a lot of vertical space which has been freed here. There's a lot of ample sunshine, and we thought what better than to start vetiver cultivation here. So we initiated a vetiver planting on a large scale in this stretch of land. And what we did was we thought of intercropping it with groundnut, that is mungfali in Hindi. And besides the groundnut, beneath the soil we also have black turmeric here. So these are all more than 1.5 years black turmeric now. So the curcumin would be very strong, and earlier we had a lot of biomass here. So there's a lot of biodiversity here, lot of bees, lot of birds, lot of butterflies, lot of lot of things. We also have the incidence of small petty distractions with the nilgais and here. But all the it's as you can see, it's a very vibrant farm. So here we have black turmeric, and we have sown groundnut, and we have had layers of vetiver all around from here as far as you can see here. So now we'll go this side and we'll see where the girls are weeding out the Boston fern, which I told you we use it as mulch. And now with the sunlight coming, we expect a lot less of Boston fern here where the sunlight is ample. What my experience shows that we have these ferns where we have more shade and intermittent sunlight, but where you are exposed to good sunlight, the Boston fern doesn't multiply as fast as it here. So we'll go there where they are weeding. So we'll go that side, and this side just in front of me, this is all sown with vetiver and groundnut and black turmeric. And here this side also we have the black turmeric here, and we have cleared the weeds here, pruned the weeds, again left it there to degrade, and we are planting, the girls are planting vetiver slips all along. So we intend to go to as far as we can go here. So today and tomorrow is going to be the same story here. And as you can see, here in Zara you are getting too hyper now. Zara is everywhere, so she loves being with me. She thinks we are going for a detour of the farm. So as you can see here, the women are clearing the weeds, and we are going to do peanut cultivation till there. वहाँ तक जाओगे ना? जी. Peanuts का. So now we'll walk to the other side, where we can see, and you can see all along how beautiful it looks, how amazing it looks. And these so we have been able to do a lot of vetiver now is this season, and vetiver keeps amazing me, with more benefits that I can think of. We limit ourselves with this, but we find that it is having a cascading effect on other things as well. So vetiver is a very important part in our scheme of things here. We keep doing that, and we hope we had a good lemon season last year. We had around more than 10,000 kilo, 10 10,000 kgs of Gandharaj lemons last year, and they're all sold out. So that's a very encouraging part, and we already have a lot of hopes and enthusiasm on pink pepper this year. As you can see, the pruning is complete here, and as you can see here, the girls are planting vetiver slips, and we are having rows of vetiver now, as you can see, and lot of biomass in between. So this biomass gives the soil temperature cool, low. So it's the, and vetiver is also a cooling agent in many ways. So the whole thing, as you can see here, is very interesting. And Deepa, तुम लोग जल्दी करो बेटा इधर से. And now we'll see there are two women who are planting vetiver slips all around, and they are sowing रूपा, तुम कहाँ तक लगाई बेटा अभी? वहाँ उस तरफ से आई है ना? हिंदी में बोलो ना. उधर हो गया है? हो गया है. और इधर हो रहा है? इधर आया है. So this is my daughter of the farm, whose Hindi amuses you and amuses everyone. And you can see, रूपा, वहाँ पे खास क्यों छोड़ा गया है वहाँ?
वो बीर नहीं यार वत्ते लग बेरे वत्ते चे वही ने बीट.
अरे जागो सुबह. And here, as you can see here,
उठा ला जाओगे, उठा ला.
the women are segregating the vetiver heap bundles here, and you have the slips which has been segregated here, and this is what the girls are planting here. And just behind me on the other side is our regular nursery of the vetiver. Around this is कितना होगा? 3 एकड़ होगा ना ये?
जी.
So 3 acre set, and here we have extensively used it for vetiver, and this is where our main nursery is. The other nursery is across the river in the Kosi fields that we have. And as you can see now, once we are through with that side, we will come to this side now from tomorrow hopefully, and we shall start planting, sowing groundnut here, and also planting vetiver slips all around here. And then we go towards our Simarbari, as Subodh would be taking his camera that side. And I'm sure you are liking it, because this is because you know. So now let me tell you about the groundnut, the advantages of groundnut cultivation. As I show you, the girls are sowing, they are sowing it there. Number one, groundnut increases the organic matter of the soil, organic matter in the soil. It increases soil porosity. It fixes a lot of nitrogen in the soil. It disrupts the life cycle of the pests and the nematodes, and it also recycles the organic matter. So you know, there's a whole lot of advantages in here, and especially where the soil is sandy and loamy. These things can just help you rejuvenate your soil in a big way. You see, when the organic matter is extended, when the life cycle of the pests and nematodes are disrupted, when the nitrogen fixing is augmented by the sowing of peanuts, and groundnut, you know, 51% of the groundnut production worldwide is used for oil extraction and DOC, the oil cakes, which is used as cattle feed also in a very big way. 15% of the groundnut is used for seeds, and 30-35% for human consumption in a direct way in confectionaries and other things. And but primarily for oil, it's edible oil. And वहाँ पे तुम लोग क्यों छोड़ी थी? वहाँ पे सोहजन का वो खस का स्लिप जो निकालो, उठाओ उसको, लगाओ बेटा उधर. So now we go back to the area where you can see these are the ferns which have been vegetated, pruned, and again left there to degrade and mulch. So this is how we have reclaimed our. This was a wasteland basically some year around 8-9 years ago, but now it's a very healthy soil system where you have a dense green cover, you have the vetiver, and you have the moringas and the subabuls and the kadams. They are all nitrogen fixing, and you have the sishams, social forestry is also there, and so on and so forth. And then this year we now plan to add some mahoganies on the periphery. So once the weather is clearing up, it's warming up. So in days to come we would see a lot of activities there also. So I think we come to an end of our blog for today. And let me tell you what I tell you every time. Keep appreciating, keep criticizing, keep suggesting. But don't forget to watch the regular video updates from Summer Shell Natural Farms Ramnagar, the pride of the country, my state Bihar, and my beautiful village Ramnagar. And the day is not far off when we shall be able to place our simple natural farm on the global center stage. And we are committed to that, and we are committed to sharing our experiences on all the organic platforms as possible. हिंदी के दर्शकों के लिए हमेशा की तरह प्रशंसा कीजिए, आलोचना कीजिए, सुझाव दीजिए और देखना मत भूलिए, क्योंकि आज तो हमारा ये सहज प्राकृतिक फार्म हमारे जिला और प्रदेश का गौरव और हमारे देश का गौरव है। और आने वाले दिनों में ये विश्व के मानचित्र पर भी बहुत ही सफलतापूर्वक हम लोग इसे स्थापित कर पाएंगे। इस आशय के साथ मैं हिमकर मिश्रा और भैया जी आप लोगों से विदा लेता हूँ। एंड वी शैल सी यू अगेन with a new update very soon. Thank you very much.